Welcome to this watercolor gathering today. I'm demonstrating a totally abstract study that I did recently using 3 colors of watercolor pencils and then 3 colors of watercolor. And it's just a fun thing to do to loosen up. Just don't have an idea of what the outcome should be. Just go with the flow. Then I added at the end some permanent ink with a Micron 2mm black pen. Enjoy! Hope you enjoyed this and hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave any comments that you might have below. Thanks a lot for joining me.